I don't remember making my character look like that. He looks like his name is Estevez. Are you okay? Is everything good?
I had a minor stroke, but we're back in business.
Nice. Welcome back, everybody. Today we'll be playing some... What is this game called? Mario Kart 8. I forgot.
It's called Race Shooter Man.
Once again, since
throw
we can't,
mushroom, bite a plant.
Since we can't be next to each other, we're across the Pacific. But it's still okay because we're still gonna have fun.
Where are you right now?
I'm in Italy right now, bro.
I'm in Italy, bro.
So we are near each other. Nice.
I mean, relatively speaking, we're the size of a small country.
It's fine.
We're the size of a large country.
Let us get into game. I hope you're ready. I hope you've been practicing. I haven't.
Not at all. Didn't even get a warm up. Don't need it.
Yeah, exactly. We don't need it. So I don't know how this works. So 100cc. Yeah, let's start with 100cc. Let's start with computers for sure. 4 races, all races.
The juice is flowing.
Yeah, let's just do a little shimmy shake. Just 100cc race, no teams, normal items. You got it?
Oh. Okay.
Did you get all that?
Can I object?
Nah.
Ooh, but I can choose.
Can you choose? Can you see what?
Yeah.
I don't really care.
Let's go random, so there's no bias.
Let's go random. All right, sure. Wow. Look at my choices.
Is it gonna be me or you, bro?
Oh, we start off with N64 Rainbow Road. I wanted to finish with N64 Rainbow Road.
Jesus Christ.
Dang, that's okay. That kind of puts a fork in my operation, but sure. Who we got? Wendy, Bowser? Okay, never mind.
I hate that one so much. All right, let's go. Lead you, baby boy.
Who are you?
You'll find out when you see who wins.
Oh, I see. You're ugly man. You're ugly man Magoo. I know you're not in front of me.
What ethnicity do you think Wario is?
Russian.
Oh, you bumped me. You bumped me. Oh! And it all falls down.
I wanted to play on this map, but at the end, this would be a perfect.
Yeah, this is one of the hardest maps in Mario Kart history.
No, it's one of the most beautiful maps.
It is, but it's also strange and hard.
I don't know. It's kind of nice at first place.
I'm coming for you. I'm in second.
Oh,
And of course,
okay.
somehow it hit me too.
I tried to back up. Maybe there was something
I
behind me.
Not in first place, bro. That's gross.
Already you screaming? Oh, my controller's about to die. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god.
Yes.
Oh no. This is not okay. And I have no protection.
Bro, I just got inked, bro. I can't see nothing.
I don't see nothing wrong. No, you have 2? Oh my god. You have 3?
Yes, sir.
No way. No way, Jose. If my name wasn't Donkey S Kong.
No!
Let's get it!
It burns. It burns so bad.
I just realized this is a duel.
I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one.
Donkey Kong got on blackface.
You was on first place the whole. Excuse
me. he got inked and he was making a statement. I guess.
Talking about because you are a monkey.
No.
Gilbert.
No, bro. No, nah, not again. What happened to my controller? Oh, okay, here we go. I'll pick the stage this time because we don't want no garbage. You gotta do some moo moo medals. Let's get it.
Oh, how you go from Rainbow Road to the most vanilla?
That's what I'm saying. We shouldn't have. We should have went random at first. We got messed up. You have to suggest the course. I bet you're not paying attention right now.
Oh.
Yep.
Nah, I could just 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it automatically goes random. It's gonna go random.
Yeah, moo. Let's go.
You have to die.
Wendy Bowser,
That's the
Toadette,
only
Morton.
reason you won. How do I change my my country of origin to Yugoslavia?
How do I change my gaming skills to better? Are you in? Are you ready?
Beep.
I messed up. Whatever.
Okay.
It's not about how you start, it's how you finish.
That's facts.
Dang, I missed. I shouldn't have let that go. What cart are you in? You look like you're driving a mushroom. Oh, is that a burger?
No, it's a beetle.
It's one in the same.
Oh, bank shot. Yes, sir. Oh, but then you come right back. Oh, you did a flip.
Yeah, bro.
Teach me a wise one.
I'm a monkey.
I just did a spin. You did a what?
I go.
Oh God, you stole the one I was gonna get.
Wario!
Wario! Oh, you missed me, little bitch boy. You little bitch boy.
Oh God.
Bro, is this gonna be the whole thing? Me trailing closely behind?
Bro, it's scary being at the top.
Yo, shut up. Bro, it's lonely here at the top.
Mad people want to see my downfall.
Yeah, me included.
Yo, you bumping into stuff. You been drinking?
Bro, how about you shut up? Because I just lapped whoever this is. Dang. 2 people got lapped. Golly. What level are you on?
This is oh, they're normal.
Oh, I almost got hit by my own banana.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, you better watch out. Dang it!
No.
Oh, it's still gonna hit you. It's still gonna hit you.
No!
Let's go!
God! Please! No!
Oh, I'm not close enough. Dang it! Had I gotten, if I didn't get turned small, I would have completely blew past you for sure.
Small.
If I didn't go tiny mode, that's unfortunate. That one hurt. That was on my stage too. All right, you pick. Oh, actually, we both have to pick. I don't freaking care.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I just realized. D.
I'll go random.
I don't know.
Of course, this takes way too long.
I've always been a fan of home court advantage. Home court advantage. We both have crowns. Just dumb. Oh, because we're tied for first place.
Oh, home court advantage. Let's go.
Bro, it don't even matter, bro.
It's just a stage.
Oh, snap. Is it plausible?
No. This is an online game. Get your weight up. With your burger cart.
Boy. Bro, I got money to make, bro. Chill.
Wow.
Oh, I paused it. Oh my God, I paused it seeing if it would pause, but it just stopped me in the middle of the race.
I just said there's no pausing.
But I don't know. Bro. You be capping sometimes. Do you not?
Nah. How did that hit me? I'm home.
I really like this song.
I really like you.
Gilbert, don't say. Are you gonna say I like it because I'm a monkey?
What?
Gilbert, no. You can't
Never.
say that, Gilbert.
Not again.
Monkey.
Bro, I really like this. Come on, man. As soon as I get in first.
There.
Just get out of the way. Ah, it's so annoying. And I fell. Listen, I didn't know you were gonna bring out hacks with this one.
Like Gargamel?
No, he doesn't. That's racist.
He dead doesn't. I just said that.
You
bro.
just be saying stuff, bro.
Bro.
Yeah.
A lot.
It's because it's too big.
Bro, what is with you today?
What? I woke up. I brushed my teeth. You saw it. I was like, let's go. We're ready. Is that a frog? Oh, it is a frog. Wow. This really is the jungle life.
Yes, frogs are in the jungle.
Okay. Ah, dang it.
Oh.
Blooper duper. Yo, watch it back, bro.
Jesus Christ, I hate your guts.
Yo, watch it back, bro.
Bro, you just... Oh!
Dang it.
Oh! Yeah.
Oh, it's only the second lap. Okay, so I got a little breathing room. Oh, we're tiny. Hop, 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 hop,
Best
hop.
believe when I grow, I'm running over you. Yes, sir.
That's racist. You only did
Bro.
that. You only did that because of us.
No!
Who's that? Morton or Chuck?
Morton. Ooh, nice.
It would be.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Crunch time, baby.
Oh my god. Whoever keep getting these thunders, your mother's a hoe.
Oh, wow. Thanks.
Oh, that was you?
No.
Oh, okay. So what you saying? Thanks.
But I feel like that's kind of harsh. The thunders affected all of us.
Nah, not the person that threw it.
Yeah, you're right. But it's not the same person getting it every time, is it?
How you know
Please,
that?
someone get a blue shell. Please, someone get a blue shell. I beg of you.
Fuck, 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 fuck. Drive, donkey, drive! Come on!
From you. Well,
Oh,
it hurts.
That hurts. That hurts. That hurts.
It came out of nowhere, bro. All right, I gotta trade you.
Bro, we're doing a video. No, I don't want to do that one. Let's do a little bit of Yoshi circuit. And he's not paying attention. Let's wait for Jelani. Let's wait for Jelani.
Shut up.
Oh no, Oreo world. Alright, I'm gonna claw my way back. I'm only down 3 measly points. Even though I went in 4th. That sounds like a win to me.
Switch ain't even in my hands. I gotta get it together. No boost. Oh, I suck. Oh, you tried to get the box directly in front of me, you whore.
I stay trying to get boxed.
So.
I hate this map. It's fine though.
Because you're a stinker?
I ain't bring my dirt bike, but it's cool.
It's filled with dirt. It's just like you.
Whoa, what is that supposed to mean?
You're filthy!
Ah, damn. Fire. Fire burns. Da 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 da. Da, da,
And so do red shells. Don't fall off the map, big boy.
Never. I don't know what that means.
At what point does Donkey Kong just become Scooby-Doo?
Why?
Yeah, it's not a good move to get first place early, huh?
Ah, I still got hit. Stupid hang glider.
Yeah, I'm gonna hang. Get a close second, you feel me? Ooh. Did you get the boomerang, Buckaroo? Yes, you did. And I missed. Oh my god.
Oh my god, this lightning. I'm gonna flip.
In like 30 seconds. What's going on, dude?
Oh, I'm in mud.
Oh, I hate everything.
Rosalina, where'd she get? Where'd she come from? This ain't your fight. No.
What, bro? Oh my god. I'm just getting fried.
Oh, I gotta check that map. I gotta check that map to see who wants my number.
No way. You in first?
Nah.
Yeah.
D.
Where you at, bro?
D.
Where you at, bro? Stinky, stinky, stinky man. Stinky, stinky, stinky man.
Bro, stay right there, bro.
Came up with some bands. Bowman a sweater. Why are you so far ahead? Oh my god!
So I use my donkey power. I said,
Yo, use hacks.
I use my game shark.
Yeah, bro.
Please just give me something to protect myself, okay?
Oh my god, I got it stolen.
I got robbed. I got robbed in Mario Kart. Let's go! Double Rooney!
Oh my god, what happened? What happened? How did that even happen, bro? Oh my god.
Oh, it's tied. Oh, nobody wins. That hurts.
Yes, I'll take it.
We share a trophy. I ain't sharing nothing. I'm on top of you.
We're gonna both hold it up together.
Yeah.
Yay.
Well, I guess that was the mess around round. Maybe in the next video we'll be a little bit more competitive, am I right? You know, it gets awfully lonely up top, you know what I mean?
Did you say it gets awfully lonely at the top?
I mean, sometimes, sure. It's like, bye.